Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable clear mode on Facebook Reel. So if you're watching a Facebook Reel and the reel is full of different menu just like this, and now you want to clear all this menu, then there's a feature on Facebook called clear mode. So here, I'll show you how to use clear mode on the Facebook application. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable or use clear mode on Facebook, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application, search for the reel you want to play. While the reel is playing, to use clear mode, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right. Then you should see this menu comes up. On the menu, locate and click on clear mode. Then once you click on clear mode, all other information on the screen except the video will be removed. You see that? So if you click on the clear mode button again, it's going to bring up all the information on the screen. To repeat it, click on the three dots, enable clear mode, and then you're good. So that's basically how to enable and use clear mode on Facebook. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.